Good morning, students. Welcome to a new video of mine. Today I will start lesson 1 of class 10. The name of the lesson is Resource and Development. In your class 10 syllabus, you have to study this lesson 1, lesson 4, lesson 5, and lesson 6. From lesson 2 and lesson 3, the questions will not come in your board exam, but from lesson 3, map pointings are going to come. So let's start with this chapter, Resource and Development. So let me first read this definition of resource. What is resource? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resource. So everything which is available in our environment and which can satisfy our need, it is called resource. Till our lower classes we studied this definition. Anything is in nature which satisfy our need, we call it as resource. So in class 10 you are going to study about resource in a little broader form. So let's see. Anything, we know that anything which satisfy our need, it is called resource. Okay, with that thing should be technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Okay, now let's come to the first thing, that is technologically accessible. Okay, technologically accessible means by the help of technology we can extract that thing from the environment. Okay, for example, silver. Okay, silver is not lying here and there. Okay, for getting this silver, for using this silver, what we have to do, we have to extract silver from the silver mine. So for that we need technology. Okay, if we are having different technologies or machines, okay, for extracting that resource is very good. Okay, so resource are which satisfy our need. With that, the first thing is that which is technologically accessible. Okay, the next is culturally acceptable. First I am explaining you the culturally acceptable. Culturally acceptable means we human being are using that resource. Okay, we need that thing. Okay, we need silver for making different thing, for making jewelries and for making different thing. So it is accepted by our culture. Okay, so because of this reason we need it and it is called resource. Okay, next comes the economically feasible. Economically feasible means for extracting silver from the silver mine we have to spend some money in it. Okay, so after extracting that silver we have to send it to the different industry or different other places, okay, to make it to the finished product. After finished product we will sell that silver. So the thing is that the it will be economically feasible then only when the selling price, when we will earn profit. The thing is that, okay, when we will earn profit by selling that silver. It's not that for extracting silver, okay, we spent 100 rupees, for example I am telling it, for extracting silver from the silver mine we are spending 100 rupees and we are selling it in 50 rupees. It is not economically feasible. We cannot tell it as economically feasible. Okay, when we are extracting silver in 100 and we are selling that silver after making finished product in 200 or 250, it means it is economically feasible. Hope this is clear to you. Again I am telling you, okay, what is resource which satisfy our need. With that it is technologically acceptable, accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. It is called as resource. Okay, now we will come to the next topic. Now I will explain you this diagram. Okay, before explaining you this diagram, this triangle, let's read this one first. The process of transformation of thing available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between nature, technology and institution. Human beings interact with nature through technology and create institution to accelerate their economic development. Do you think that resources are free gift of nature as is assumed by many? They are not. Resources are a function of human activity. Human beings themselves are essential component of resource. They transform material available in our environment into resource and use them. So about this diagram only it have been told in those paragraphs. So physical environment is nature. Okay, here technology means machines. Okay, and institution means factory. Okay, physical environment, for example, coal is available in coal mine which is there in a physical environment. Okay, that is nature. For extracting coal, what we need? Okay, technology means different type of machines we need for extracting the coal. After extracting the coal, we send it in different institution, factories. Okay, from factory, okay, it goes to different other places. Okay, in the same way, for example, iron only, another example I am giving you about iron. For example, iron we get it in iron mine. Okay, human being get iron in from the iron mines, okay, which is present in physical environment, that is nature. Okay, how we get this iron from those mine? With the help of technology we extract that iron, okay, from iron mines. After extracting that iron from the iron mines with the help of machine, we send it to different institutions. Institutions means factory or industries. Okay, and after that from this institution finished products are made and it is sold in the market. So in this way human being, okay, they use the resource. Okay, they extract the resource with the help of technology, they send it to the institution, and after that it are making the finished product, they use it in their different purpose.